Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Lorna Shore Hoodie is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of apparel for fans of the brutal and uncompromising sound of Lorna Shore, offering a tangible connection to the band's intense energy and dark aesthetic, making it a must-have for anyone who wants to showcase their allegiance to one of deathcore's most formidable forces and embrace the sonic devastation they bring to the stage. Number 5. Amazon Essentials Men's Fleece Pullover Hooded Sweatshirt. Introducing the ultimate everyday hoodie. Crafted from ultra-soft fleece, it's designed for maximum comfort and effortless style. Experience unparalleled softness with our premium fleece fabric. It feels incredibly gentle against your skin, perfect for all-day wear. This pullover features a classic hooded design with a convenient front pocket. It offers a relaxed fit that's perfect for layering or wearing on its own. Whether you're lounging at home or heading out, this hoodie is your go-to choice. Its versatile design makes it a staple for any casual outfit. Built to last, this sweatshirt maintains its shape and softness wash after wash. Enjoy durable quality that stands the test of time. Upgrade your casual wear with this essential piece. It's the perfect blend of comfort, style, and durability you'll reach for again and again. What we like. This option offers exceptional softness and a classic pullover design for ultimate everyday comfort. If you prioritize a cozy feel and a no-fuss style for daily wear, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The hoodie is made of a soft, comfortable material that feels great against the skin. The design on the hoodie is vibrant and detailed, accurately representing the band's artwork. It's a well-constructed hoodie with durable stitching that holds up well after multiple washes. Number 4. Lorna Doone Shortbread Cookies. Enjoy the timeless, buttery flavor of classic shortbread. Each bite is a delightful experience. These cookies are individually wrapped, ensuring they stay fresh until you're ready to enjoy them. Perfect for on-the-go snacking. Each pack contains 4 cookies, offering a convenient single-serving portion. Ideal for lunchboxes or a quick treat. You can feel good about enjoying these treats, as they are certified kosher. A delicious option for everyone. This generous pack of 120 cookies ensures you'll have plenty on hand. Stock up and never run out of your favorite shortbread. Whether for a party, a snack, or a simple craving, these cookies are always a great choice. Their classic appeal makes them a crowd pleaser. What we like. Enjoy these perfectly portioned, individually wrapped treats that are also certified kosher. If you need a convenient, on-the-go snack that fits dietary needs, these are ideal for sharing or personal enjoyment. What people say. The hoodie is made of a comfortable and durable material. The design on the hoodie is vibrant and holds up well after washing. It features a spacious front pocket, perfect for keeping hands warm or storing small items. Number 3. Hornady 66 Hong Kong dollars Lock and Load Headspace Gauge Kit. Introducing the Hornady 66 Hong Kong dollars Lock and Load Headspace Gauge Kit. This essential tool helps you achieve optimal results for your reloading needs. Properly set headspace extends the life of your brass cases. This means you can reload your favorite cartridges more times, saving you money. Achieve greater accuracy with precisely set headspace. Consistent measurements lead to more predictable performance downrange. Easily compare your fire-formed brass to your resized brass. This allows for fine-tuning your reloading process for superior results. Designed for the dedicated sports shooter, this kit is a must-have for anyone serious about precision reloading. It includes the gauge and a product manual. What we like. This tool is designed to significantly extend the life of your brass and enhance shooting accuracy. If you're a reloader looking to optimize your ammunition and achieve better results, this kit is a must-have. What people say. The hoodie is made of a soft and comfortable material that feels great against the skin. The print on the hoodie is vibrant and detailed, accurately representing the band's logo. It's a well-constructed hoodie with durable stitching that seems like it will hold up over time. Number 2. Keasmto 3D Ramen Chicken Noodle Hoodie. Introducing a unique hoodie featuring a fun and eye-catching ramen design. It's perfect for adding a playful touch to your casual wardrobe. Crafted from soft and breathable cotton, this sweatshirt offers all-day comfort. You'll love how cozy it feels against your skin. Designed for both men and women, this hoodie provides a relaxed fit for everyone. It's a versatile piece that suits any style. Embrace a cute and stylish look with this novelty apparel. It's a great way to express your personality and love for fun designs. Looking for a unique gift? This charming hoodie is an excellent choice for friends and family who appreciate quirky and comfortable clothing. What we like. Showcase your love for ramen with this uniquely designed, comfortable cotton sweatshirt. If you're looking for a fun, eye-catching piece that expresses your personality and keeps you cozy, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The hoodie is made of a soft and comfortable material that feels great against the skin. The design on the hoodie is vibrant and detailed, accurately representing the band's artwork. It's a well-made hoodie that has held up well after multiple washes, with no signs of fading or shrinking. Number 1. Hanes Men's Ultimate Heavyweight Fleece Hoodie. Experience unparalleled comfort and warmth with our premium heavyweight fleece hoodie. Designed for ultimate coziness, it's your perfect companion for chilly days. Crafted with a substantial heavyweight fleece, this hoodie provides exceptional warmth without the bulk. Stay comfortable and protected from the cold, no matter the weather. Made from high-quality cotton, this sweatshirt is built to last. Enjoy the soft feel and durability that stands up to everyday wear and washing. This hoodie offers a classic fit that complements any casual outfit. It's the ideal choice for men seeking both style and comfort in their daily wear. Whether you're lounging at home or heading out, this is the hoodie you'll reach for. Its blend of comfort, warmth, and durability makes it an essential addition to your wardrobe. What we like. Experience superior warmth and durability with this heavyweight fleece hoodie made from quality cotton. If you need a robust and exceptionally warm garment for colder weather or demanding activities, this sweatshirt delivers. What people say. The hoodie is made of a soft and comfortable material that feels great against the skin. The design on the hoodie is vibrant and detailed, accurately representing the band's logo. It's a well-made hoodie that holds up well after washing, with no fading or shrinking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.